Just a little bit of a different walk around today. I'm gonna walk around and point out all the new rides that are still available. And next week we'll get back to the normal walk around videos that we create here at Maple Motors. At least I get to show you. Let's get started. So getting started here, I got a few new cars that I did put on. I'll show you what we got left at Maple Motors. Next week we should have a 10 car update. We may even put 15 on to catch up. This one is on hold. It's a 68 Chevelle 26.9. We've already sold the 4-door. She is out of here. This one is new inventory, 12.9 on this, a 1962 Impala. Coming up on this Pontiac Le Mans convertible, dressed up as a GTO with the Judd stickers. It is a 1969 convertible here. It's 25.9. Coming up on the Cutlass, this one's 12.9. This is a 1977 model. And we've got a 1968 Impala sitting right here on the front row, 19.9. On the front row, a 1971 Chevelle. You may recognize it. It was on hold for a little while. Gentleman ended up backing out. We never ended up with the money on this car. It is back, available, 28.9. Videos are up. Go check them out here on YouTube. This is a 1971 Chevelle. And of course, right next to that is a Roadrunner. This is a beautiful car with a 383, 1969 model. We've got it for $32.9. And of course, right here beside the lot, we got a 1973 Mustang convertible. This one is $17.9. We've also got a 1979 C10. This one's got the big block 454 under the hood, and it is $19.9. We got a nice row of cars here. We're gonna walk all the way down here. I'm gonna check everything out. This is a 1966 Mustang Fastback, $39.9. Coming on down to the next one, 66 Mustang convertible, $24.9. This one's a 66 supercharged, $22.9. New inventory alert, 66 model Mustang, the GT350 sticker kit, $23.9. Another 66 model, this is a Corvette, 283, $34.9. It is a convertible. Got a 73 Corvette, $23.9. We got a 71 Camaro with an inline 6 motor, $23.9. This one's full of new parts. Don't forget about the 1986 Chevy Camaro. It's got T-tops, it's $11.9. New inventory alert, 1986 C10 pickup truck. This one's $19.9. We've got a 1987 GMC 1500 Sierra classic truck. This one's $18.9. Standing here in the showroom, we got a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible. Just put the test drive videos out. Beautiful car inside and out, full stereo system. Sweet ride. Everything else in here is already sold. Got that one sold. Vet in the back's pops as he's going home. Personal ride, and sold. There was a guy that came up here of course, Friday, and I made a little video about it. Bought 10 cars. I don't think in history nobody has bought 10 cars in one day. So before I leave you today, I will show you the cars that he bought and just let you know what he came in and picked out. Let's go back over some of these. We're gonna go ahead and pop the hoods on every one of them that I've showed you in this video that's still available at Maple Motors. And of course, don't get discouraged. We buy 15 to 20 cars a week. We're always ahead of schedule. And of course, we have hopefully 15 cars going on Monday. It's gonna be a big update this next Monday so that we can catch back up. Let's go pop some hoods. Walking up on the 73 Mustang. This one's 17.9. Decent convertible. You could check out the test drive videos. 351 Cleveland. Let you check that out. And we'll head on to the next ride. And then we've got the 79 C10 pickup truck. This one's 19.9 with the 454 under the hood. And then we got the 86 C10 pickup truck. This one's 19.9. And of course, under the hood here is a 350 with aluminum heads. I'm getting ready to do a test drive video on the 4-door 62 Impala. So this one right here, I haven't done my test drive video, which means I haven't decoded the motor. All I gotta do is look right back over here, get my lights out, look behind there, decode the motor, check the front of the block, and I'll know exactly what motor that is before I do my video. Of course, that'll be done right after this one, so be looking for that. This one's 12.9. This one here is a 1969 Pontiac Le Mans convertible with a 350 under the hood. We got it for $25,900. Next up, I got a 1977 Cutlass. And this one's got the 350 under the hood. Of course, we got it priced $12,900. And next up is a 1968 Impala with a matching number 327. We got it priced $19,900. Of course, right here on the front row, a 1971 Chevelle with a built 350. This one's got solid lifters, lots of shine. And we got her priced $28,900. Right next to that is a 1969 Roadrunner. This one's $32,900 with a 383 under the hood. The 1971 Camaro for $23,900, the inline 6. AC, you can tell lots of parts have been thrown at this car. But it's very clean inside and out, up and down, all around. Check that video out. Only thing I noticed on this one is they put all that AC stuff in and they said, oh yeah, job well done. Oh no. And they put a dent right there. That's from the AC. Isn't that crazy? Right after that, we got a 1973 Corvette. This was $23,900 with a 350 under the hood. Coming up on the 1966 Corvette. It's got the side pipes, custom front end. Top comes off, 34.9, 283. Next up, right after that, this one's 23.9. This is a 1966 Mustang with a 289 under the hood. Right next to that, this is a 66 Mustang for 22.9. This is a 302 with a supercharger. Another 66, but this one's a convertible, 24.9 with a 289 under the hood. And then coming up on this one, another 66 model. This is a fastback. This one is 39.9. And I can't remember exactly, but I know if you put your hand down here, 1, 2, 3, it's just 3. So this will be a 289. You can check that lower pulley majority of the time and figure out these Mustang motors pretty quickly. Of course, this one's on hold. And let me give you a reminder. So if you see anything in the background and I didn't tell you about it, it's not available or it's already sold. Reason I say that is people call all the time just from seeing stuff in the background, but if I wanted to sell it, I'd definitely let you know about it. I don't want to miss a sale because I didn't show it in a video, but I'll show you everything that's available and you can give us a call. We'll talk to you about it. On Mondays, I do update with new inventory. And that's usually every Monday. This last Monday was a good update. And then Friday popped up and a guy will come in from out of state, was a collector building a brand new barn, and he wanted to put 10 cars inside that barn and basically make a bar out of it and invite the town over. That's what he said he wanted to do. That's completely fine with us. Said he's just gonna keep them and he'll probably have them forever. I'll go ahead and get a list of those and I'll walk around and show you exactly which ones he bought. Let's do it. All right, so he picked up this Mustang we got in. Didn't have it very long. Literally, it came off the truck and he owned it. Said he wanted it. Chicago Mobs, what it says on the windshield. He picked up this Chevrolet truck. I mean, I had it sold to a different guy and he was getting ready to come in. Guy showed up. Of course, that guy picked it up before him. The 57, already sold. See, I know you've seen some of the stuff in the background. That's what y'all are gonna be calling about. This is already sold stuff. This is from one guy. Let me show you around a little bit more. Of course, I can show you all this. It's all sold. That's a sold Chevelle. That one's sold there. Grand National sold. That Chevelle sold. He said, show me the back lot. This is why I don't show the back lot anymore. It's all sold. That guy picked up this one too, 1966 F100. He bought it. That didn't take him very long. And of course, my dad's car was not even for sale. And he came in here and basically made an offer on it and bought it. So he bought this one as well. That's 5 of them. Let's go find the other 5 he bought. He also bought this 62 model Impala, it says. It's a pretty nice car all the way around, Willwood brakes and everything. I was excited to post that one. And the 4-door Cadillac back here. This was one of the personal rides. I love the wings on the back of these things. He also bought the 62 4-door Impala. And the blue and white 55. So yeah, what I was telling you is this guy came in from out of state. Just started walking around the lot picking out cars. How can I deny that? It was good stuff. Of course, on this truck, it's a 305. I need to go find the keys. I can't seem to find them. I'm hoping they're not locked inside it. You double check the door again. Yeah, she locked. I got pictures of this one on the website, so check that out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the walk around today. I know I did. Feels great out here. I need to get these test drives done. I got this car to do. I've got a 6-cylinder Mustang that's not on the lot right now. You've probably seen it posted. It's on the website. So once he gets back here, I'll go ahead and video it. And I'll keep these coming out for you. Hey, don't forget, hit subscribe, share this video, and hit like. That helps me out more than you know. And again, at the end of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that guy bought Friday, what y'all missed, which is okay, because we get 10 cars every week, but I think next Monday we're gonna update with a heavy update, which means we'll put more cars on than normal to catch back up. Oh, we also got this one with the 305. It's been sitting in the middle of the lot, so I forgot to pop the hood on it. All right, I'm gonna keep these test drives coming your way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, I gotta fix the flag. Got wrapped up on the power line. I'm gonna get that next. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. I still did the walk around, even though circumstances. And thank you. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you later, guys.